People usually consider solar panels for one of two reasons. They want to do something good for the planet, or they're tired of paying high electricity bills. And while helping the environment is a great bonus, for most homeowners the real question is simple. Does solar actually save you money, or is it just marketing hype? In today's video, we're here to find out if you can really save money with solar. We will discuss why homeowners consider solar energy, the factors affecting electricity prices, and the 5 states with the highest solar savings. So, if you want to see how solar could help you save on your home insurance, visit quote.com. Just type your zip code into our free comparison tool to compare real-time quotes from top insurance providers in your area and see which one best suits your needs. Deciding whether to go solar often starts with understanding why homeowners consider solar in the first place. From saving money to protecting the environment, there are several key reasons driving this growing trend. One of the biggest reasons homeowners consider solar is to lower electricity bills. By generating their own energy, they rely less on utility companies, which can lead to significant long-term savings. Over time, this makes solar a smart investment for any household budget. Another reason homeowners consider solar is its environmental benefits. Solar energy produces no carbon emissions, helping to combat climate change. Choosing renewable energy also supports a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. Energy independence is also a major factor for many homeowners considering solar. Producing your own electricity reduces reliance on the grid and provides protection during outages or rate increases. This gives homeowners both peace of mind and control over their energy usage. Solar energy offers clear benefits that appeal to a wide range of homeowners. Whether it's saving money, protecting the environment, or gaining energy independence, it's easy to see why many consider making the switch. To know how much rates could impact your home insurance if you install solar panels, head over to quote.com. Use our free comparison tool to see insurance quotes and find the best options that suit your situation. Compare now and secure the best coverage for your home. Understanding factors affecting electricity prices is essential for homeowners considering solar energy. Electricity costs have been rising steadily, and knowing what drives these rates can help you see how much you could save by going solar. First, electricity prices are heavily influenced by rising fuel costs. As coal, natural gas, and other fuels become more expensive to obtain, electricity providers pass these higher costs on to consumers. This contributes to steadily increasing monthly bills, making solar a practical way to lower reliance on traditional energy sources. Next, electricity prices are affected by power plant and operating costs. Maintenance, construction, and labor expenses add to the overall cost of producing electricity. These costs are reflected in higher bills for residential customers compared to commercial or industrial sectors. Additionally, electricity rates are impacted by transmission and distribution expenses. Maintaining power lines, grids, and other infrastructure requires ongoing investment. Furthermore, extreme weather conditions can drive up electricity demand and damage infrastructure. Heat waves increase air conditioning use, while storms and natural disasters can disrupt power lines. This combination of higher demand and repair costs can lead to spikes in electricity rates. Lastly, government regulations impact electricity rates. Taxes, regulations, and fees set by state or local governments can raise or lower costs. Policies encouraging renewable energy can also indirectly influence pricing. Electricity prices are driven by fuel costs, plant operations, infrastructure, extreme weather, and regulations. Recognizing these factors highlights why solar energy is a cost-saving option for homeowners facing rising electricity bills. Explore whether solar panels could help you save on home insurance costs by visiting quote.com. Use our free comparison tool to check your quotes from different insurers in your area and find the best fit for your needs, all in one place. Where you live plays a huge role in determining your monthly solar savings. States with higher electricity costs tend to offer the greatest savings for homeowners who switch to solar energy. To start, Hawaii offers the highest average monthly solar savings of $270. Residents face some of the highest electricity rates in the country, making solar particularly valuable. Installing solar panels provides a significant reduction in monthly utility costs for homeowners. Following closely is Nevada, where homeowners save about $145 per month. The combination of high sunlight availability and local incentives makes solar an attractive investment. Residents benefit from a noticeable reduction in monthly electricity expenses. California also ranks third with average solar savings of $143 per month. High energy costs and state rebates allow homeowners to quickly see a return on solar installation. Solar provides both financial relief and a path toward energy independence in the state. Next, Florida offers average monthly savings of $139. The state's electricity rates and generous solar incentives help homeowners reduce their bills. Installing solar panels makes energy costs more predictable while supporting clean energy. Finally, Arizona residents save around $137 per month with solar. Abundant sunlight and local policies create strong potential savings for homeowners. Solar installation helps offset high summer cooling costs and lowers overall electricity expenses. Your location and local electricity rates significantly impact how much you can save with solar. Homeowners in states with high energy costs stand to gain the most from switching to solar panels. If you're curious how solar could affect your home insurance rates in your state, head over to quote.com. Use our easy-to-use free comparison tool to compare quotes and explore insurance options that match your budget and situation. It's fast, free, and designed to help you take the next step with confidence. Before investing in solar, there are a few strategies to maximize your potential savings. Simple steps like analyzing bills and researching incentives can make a big difference in your return on investment. First, review your electricity bills carefully. Understanding your usage patterns helps estimate potential solar savings and identifies peak hours when solar energy is most valuable. Next, compare multiple solar providers to find the best system and price. Different providers may offer financing, installation, or warranty options. Comparing rates helps you make an informed decision and ensures you get the most value for your investment. Finally, research available incentives, rebates, and potential home insurance impacts. Federal, state, and local programs can significantly reduce installation costs, while adding solar panels may also affect your home insurance rates. Understanding both savings programs and insurance considerations helps shorten your payback period and protects your investment. By checking your bills, comparing providers, and using available incentives, you can maximize your solar savings from day one. Considering insurance implications ensures your investment is fully protected while optimizing financial benefits. Learn more about how installing solar could affect your insurance rates by visiting quote.com. Just type your zip code into our free comparison tool to instantly view rates and find coverage options that suit your situation while maximizing your solar savings. Switching to solar isn't just good for the planet. It can put real money back in your pocket while giving you energy independence. By understanding your usage and comparing providers, you can make solar a smart, cost-saving choice for your home. If you found this video helpful, click the like button so we can continue to provide helpful content that matters to you. Share in the comments your experience with going solar, tips on how to maximize savings with solar energy, or questions you have about the benefits of solar panels. We'd love to help you determine whether solar energy is right for you. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss important tips on saving money and making smart energy choices. Take control of your energy and your savings today. Go solar and power your future on your terms. Thanks for watching and see you at our next video.